Okay, welcome to another video. Now, in this video, I want to talk about removing wastes, how your body removes wastes. Okay. Now, when you think of waste, you think immediately of human poo and urine. There's also, however, other forms of waste like liquid and gas. Okay, and as you know, the buildup of waste in the body is really bad, harmful to the body. You shouldn't hold it in. Okay, in other words, so excretion is another word for waste. It's basically the removal of waste from body. Okay, example, when you breathe out. Okay, when you're breathing out, CO2 leaves your body. Okay, CO2 is a waste, carbon dioxide is a waste. Okay, it comes out from your lungs and you breathe it out. It's a respiration waste product. Remember, respiration is glucose and oxygen makes carbon dioxide and water. Okay, another one is urea. Urea, it's another harmful waste product produced by the liver. Okay, after protein digestion. Okay, so bodybuilders like myself, we tend to find ourselves going to the toilet, not a lot frequently, but more than the average person because of the amount of protein we take in our foods and in our supplements. So excess protein, okay, so urea is basically one of the byproducts of excess protein. The urea passes into the bloodstream, goes to the kidneys, okay, so then goes to the kidneys to be filtered out, okay, for filtration. Like a filter. Now, breaking down excess urea, something I experience, is called deamination. There's a fancy word for it. Think of amino acids, deamination. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein. This is the breakdown of excess urea. Sorry, amino acids. Okay. As I said, it occurs in the liver, goes to the kidneys to be removed, filtered out. Okay, and the body, as you know, has two kidneys, right? Okay, these are red-brown bean-shaped organs. Okay, they're about the size of your fist. If you clench your fist, they're about the same size. And filtration, basically, there are filtration units in each kidney, okay, like cells. Filtration units in each kidney. Okay, these are called nephrons. Okay, these are small, like tubes in the kidney. Okay, so urine travels down them. Sorry, not small tubes. They're units. Okay, like cells. Urine travels down the small tubes in the kidney through the bladder and into the ureter. Ureter leads you to pee. Okay, so kidney through the bladder and then into the ureter. Okay, that's where it comes out from. Now, also, I should also mention that too much water. Okay, what happens when you take in too much water? What happens to your urine color? It becomes clear. Okay, so it's amazing how urine is a good indicator of your hydration status. Too much water, clear. Too little, and you get an ugly looking thing that's dark yellow. Sorry, dark and cloudy yellow. Not very pleasant. If there were no filters in the kidney, right? If there were no filters as well, what would happen? Things would start clumping up, substances. You get things like kidney stones, a lot of them. And having blood in urine as well, I should mention, having blood in your pee is not a good sign, okay? It could be a sign of kidney problems, infection. Usually, it might not be something serious, okay? It might be an infection or urinary tract problem. I want to talk about now quickly as well the liver, very briefly. The largest internal organ, right, in your body. The digestion happens. Here's what it does. Here's one thing it does. It breaks down hormones. Okay, so in your food, say, breaks down hormones. It breaks down hemoglobin. Remember, this is the chemical that's contained in red blood cells. It also breaks down toxic substances. Those who drink alcohol, I see these people sometimes a lot in hospitals. You'll see them getting detoxes, even young people. It's absolutely ridiculous. At that age, at the age of 20, having a liver detox from what? From alcohol. If the liver can't keep up with expelling toxic substances like alcohol, then it's bye-bye liver. Also, it converts ammonia to urea. So urea, your urine is actually made of ammonia, right? That's what I want to talk about today.